and welcome to my channel. I'm Holly. On my channel we talk about anything sewing basically. I share all my sewing makes, tips, tricks, hacks, that sort of thing. For this video I'm going to be talking about what I made in October, which if you watched my last video I spoke about my plan and the fabric I was using. So just to recap, I was gifted this beautiful white linen fabric from Fabricland. It is a mix of linen and viscose, so it's a lovely soft breathable fabric. I was gifted this fabric for Fabricland for my Instagram. So what I made with my lovely linen fabric is a pair of linen trousers. Oh yeah. Yeah, these are my linen trousers. Let me show you, hopefully you can see to the bottom. They are full length linen trousers with a elasticated waist. They kind of are quite high-waisted but not fully high-waisted, basically between the hips and the waist. They sit nicely. For the front of the trousers, along the centre front, I wanted to add in this fake kind of toggle detail. It doesn't you know, anything to do with the fit. It was just basically for design purposes. Yeah, which I think just adds a little bit extra to the trousers. I actually on my blog got a step-by-step design tutorial of how to add this detail onto your garments, so I'll leave that link below to the blog post so you can learn how to do that if you wish. Okay, let's talk about the pocket detail. I added pockets on both side seams just because I think it's so annoying when there's no pockets in any trousers. So that was a design detail that I wanted to add to my trousers. They are fully invisible, you can see them there. Let me pull out the pocket bag. I made the pocket bag in the same linen fabric, just so it's got that seamless look basically, but you can always make pockets in any fabric really. I drafted my own pattern for the pocket bag insert on the side. Again, on my blog I have a tutorial telling you how to draft your own pocket bag pattern to insert in these type of makes. So if you want a pocket to add to any dress, trousers, shorts, skirts, that sort of thing, this is the type of pocket that would be brilliant for you. So look over on the blog to find out how to draft your own pattern for that. I've also got a blog post then talking about how you insert and sew that pocket into your garment. So you've got 2 steps basically to follow if you want to add pockets to your garments. So the fit of the trousers, as I said, they've got an elasticated waist for comfort, and then I wanted a bit more of a rounded shape around the hips and bum, and then when you go down into the knee area it sort of tapers a little bit thinner, and then to the leg, the bottom of the leg, they're quite fitted, and then I've got this sort of roll detail, just for another little detail for that sort of slouchy laid back look that I wanted to create. A lot of trousers, I have quite long legs, so it's nice to make a pair of trousers that are long enough for my legs and fit my legs without swamping me. My trouser sort of size, I take a 26-34 leg in jeans, so it can be difficult to get trousers that fit fully to my ankles and to fit my legs properly. So I was so happy when these trousers came out perfectly. In my previous video, when I speak about the plan of how I was going to make these trousers, I speak about how I was mainly going to use a trouser block to draft these patterns because these are self-drafted. I didn't use a pre-sewing pattern to make them. But when I came to sewing, I found a pair of trousers that were cotton and a fabric, very similar fabric that I was going to be in this linen. So I used a combination of using the block to kind of get a rough shape, and then I also used the pair of trousers and traced around the shape of the trousers, the pattern shape. So I use a kind of combined technique for these trousers, which worked really well because I had got this other pair of trousers which fit absolutely perfectly, and I knew that's kind of the vibe that I wanted. So I just basically took the basic shape of it, and then I was able to add the design details such as the pocket, the toggles, the rolled hem, those sort of things on top of that basic design. If you wanted a tutorial video on how to create patterns from existing clothes, I'm happy to do that, so just let me know if that is something you're interested in, because it is a really quite time effective way of making a garment that does, you know, fit you and you like, instead of using a whole new pattern. That was my October make. I have more photos of me wearing the garments over on my Instagram page, which is Holly_Dennett, if you want to go and check that out and follow me over there. And also I'll leave my links to my blog posts with those pattern for the pocket pattern tutorials and the toggle tutorials, if you're interested as well. Remember to hit the subscribe button. Yeah, and I will see you again soon. Thanks, bye.